Hello students, this is the 15th chapter, Biodiversity, Conservation and Environmental Issues. So in the previous part of the video we have studied all type of pollutions. We have completed air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution. We have done with the domestic sewage, industrial effluents. We have studied the measures of how to control them. We have studied about thermal pollution. We have completed everything over here. Then we were studying about ecocene, that is ecological sanitization. So let's start with that topic. So students, we were studying about ecological sanitization, that is ecocene. So what we have studied, that ecocene is an approach to sanitation. Sanitation मतलब साफ सफाई करना. Sanitation provision which safely reuses excreta in agricultural. It reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Clear with this? Ecocene toilet is a closed system that does not need water. इसको closed system है, it does not need water. It is an alternative to leach pit toilet in place where water is scarce or where there is a risk of groundwater contamination. It is based on the principle of recovery and recycling of nutrients from excreta to create a valuable resource for agriculture. Clear with this? Moving next, when the pit of an ecocene toilet fills up, जब एक पिट फिल अप हो जाती है ecocene toilet की, it is closed and then sealed. After about 8 to 9 months, the feces are completely composted to organic manure. वो सारी feces जब 8-9 months के बाद the feces are completely composted to organic manure. वो एक organic manure में convert हो जाती है. There are working ecocene toilets in many areas of Gujarat, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka. बहुत सारे ecocene toilets है in our country, that is in Gujarat, in Kerala, in Tamil Nadu and in Sri Lanka. Recycling of sewage water. सीवेज वाटर का रिसाइकलिंग करना बाय रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस. रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस will help to solve the problem of not only scarcity of water but also the disposal of sewage water. It helps in disposal of sewage water also. At Tirumala Hills, millions of pilgrims visit. Every building here has RO system which solves the problem of huge water demand. Recycling of sewage water is seen in townships in Mumbai. Rainwater harvesting is encouraged and made mandatory for new constructions by municipal corporation. Recycling कर रहे हैं हम लोग सीवेज वाटर को. In many townships in Mumbai, rainwater harvesting is encouraged and made mandatory for new construction by municipal corporation. Moving next, solid waste management. A very new topic for you all. You have already studied about solid waste management in 9th standard. सॉलिड वेस्ट को किस तरीके से मैनेज करते हैं, इसमें ये पढ़ना है हमें. तो सॉलिड वेस्ट इज़ एवरीथिंग दैट गोज़ टू ट्रैश. जो भी ट्रैश है वो सारा होता है सॉलिड वेस्ट. इट इंक्लूड्स वेस्ट फ्रॉम होम, ऑफिसेस, स्टोर्स, schools, hospitals, etc. Waste are collected and disposed by municipality. Municipal solid waste generally consists of paper, food, plastic, glass, metals, rubber, leather, textile, etc. Burning reduces volume of the waste. अगर हम लोग वेस्ट को बर्न करेंगे तो उसका वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगा, रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. जनरली इट इज़ नॉट बर्नड टू कंप्लीशन. पूरी तरीके से बर्न नहीं करते. सो ओपन डम्प्स बिकम ब्रीडिंग ग्राउंड फॉर रैट्स एंड फ्लाइज. Clear with this? Moving to the next slide. Sanitary landfills. What are sanitary landfills? Sanitary landfills are substitute for open burning dumps. Open burning dumps. Your waste are dumped in depression or trench. Every day waste are added to this pit. हर दिन क्या होता है? एवरीडे वेस्ट जो है वो ऐड होता है इस पिट में. लैंडफिल्स गेट फिल्ड very soon, especially in metro cities. The amount of garbage generated is too high. बहुत ज़्यादा होता है गार्बेज जो जनरेट हुआ. In addition to this, there is a danger of chemicals percolating and reaching down to groundwater and contaminate these water sources. इसके एडिशन में there is a danger of chemicals. बहुत सारे chemicals है जो percolate करते हैं and reaching down to groundwater. groundwater के पास भी चले जाते हैं and contaminate this water sources. एक बार वो लोग ग्राउंड वाटर में ऐड हो गए तो ऑब्वियसली बात है हमारा वाटर सोर्सेज जो है वो कंटामिनेट हो जाएंगे. All waste can be categorized into 3 types. First is biodegradable, second is recyclable, third is non-biodegradable.